What up, guys? It's Rhino back with another logo for you. This one, I just wanted to do like a Pharaoh type skull guy, I guess. For this one, I kind of just looked up, like for concepts, I looked up skulls, edgy skulls, and Pharaoh headdresses to see what kind of stuff I could draw. I took it, made it my own. Still have to do a little bit on the teeth, I guess. The teeth are giving me a little bit problems, but I'm learning. I can always put this up for free if you guys want it. If you guys want to use it, let me know. I'll just send it to you guys or put it on Dropbox download link. If you feel like buying it, you can buy it. That's totally fine too, but you don't have to. But yeah, this was fun to do. I love doing these things. It's really fun. You can catch me streaming, usually Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays at like 5 Eastern. I do art. Sometimes I play games. Sometimes I'm usually there with some friends. Come by. It's fun. Yeah, and I'm going to leave it there. Enjoy the video, guys.